In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dashboards in Jira. Whether you're gearing up for a team review or simply wanting to optimize your workflow display, tailoring your dashboard is a valuable skill for making your data visualizations and tools work best for you. So let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, we need to access your Jira account. Open up Chrome or whichever web browser you prefer and log in. Once you're logged in, your first port of call will be the dashboard section, which you'll find conveniently located in the top navigation bar of the Jira interface. This is where all the magic happens, and you can really start to customize things to your liking. Now within the dashboard section, find the dashboard that you wish to edit. When you spot the right one, click on it to open. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to locate the edit functionalities. Look towards the top right corner and find either the familiar three-dot menu, often called the More menu, or an actual Edit button. Go ahead and click it to enter the editing mode. This is your gateway to making all the necessary changes you had in mind. Next, we'll move on to the layout customization. This is where you can change both the number of columns and the overall style of the layout using the layout options presented. This flexibility allows you to create a framework that suits how you analyze or present data, effectively enhancing your productivity. Consider how you and your team use the information. A clear understanding of this can guide how you organize your layout. Let's move on to adding or removing gadgets. Gadgets play a crucial role in visualizing data and providing interactive tools on your dashboard. To add a gadget, simply click on the Add Gadget button. This opens up a palette of options, including charts, filters, or other useful widgets that can enhance how data is displayed. And if you ever find certain gadgets outliving their usefulness or just taking up space, you can easily remove them. Head to the gadget that's due for an exit, click on the More menu represented by those three dots, and choose Remove. It's important to keep your dashboard clean and relevant to current needs. Once you've got all your desired gadgets in place, it's time to arrange them in a way that makes sense for you or your team. The ease of Jira's design really shines here. Just drag and drop each gadget to reorder or reposition them until you strike the perfect balance of clarity and efficiency. Remember, the aim is to make your data as accessible as possible to improve your team's workflow. The final step, and arguably the most important, is to save all your hard work. At the top, you'll find either a Done or Save button. Make sure to click it to apply all your customizations, ensuring that the next time you or anyone on your team visits this dashboard, everything appears exactly as you've meticulously set it up. And there you have it. With these steps, you can now expertly customize your Jira dashboards, making them not only functional, but tailored to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.